Tinawagan ba to? Like I said, I was pleased.
Yun lang?
Gaan ka, please.
Wala ka ng donuts. I was very happy. Sabi ko, good choice. For me. No, I was mentioned earlier, she really caught my attention in Rosario. Ang dami mong close up doon na parang...
Hindi kaya ako masyado maganda nun.
May itsura na.
Baka one line yung delay ko, ano ba?
Sobrang ganda mo kaya. No, walang tigil nga kay MVP. I kept on telling MVP, grabe, she's so pretty.
Ay! Talaga man. I-push mo pa.
Pero in person, iba pala. In person.
Hindi pa na ganun kaganda sa personal na.
No. I was very excited to get to work with her, not just because she's very good looking. She's somebody I haven't worked with, so it's always excited for me to work with people that I haven't worked with.
And how about you, Jen?
Jen?
Sorry pa.
When this project was offered to you, and
She fainted when she found out it was me.
Oo, grabe. Hindi ako nakatulog. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa ako natulog. Siyempre, hindi kasi una ko na namin to kay Tita Becky, manager ko. Very close ako kay attorney. Parang adopted na rin niya na ako, daughter. Sabi ko nung una, sabi ba? Sige, patingin ako script. Sabi ko, gusto ko niyan kasi hindi pa ako nakakagawa niyan ever. Sabi ko, 10 years na ako sinasabunutan, umiiyak. Ganun sinasampal sa mga eksena kasi puro drama lang. So sabi ko, exciting to. Interesting. Sige.
And when Derek was actually mentioned to you,
yun na, medyo pinag-isipan ko.
Thank you.
Hindi,
what was like Derek like to you before you actually worked with him?
feeling ko lang masungit. Kasi parang sobrang straight.
Why does everybody say that?
Oo,
Intimidating.
mukha, intimidating. Pero, sa totoong buhay pala, sobrang friendly niya. Sobrang bait. Napakabait talaga, napakabait.
Patient.
Napaka-patient.
Pero pag mabait ka, pero inaabuso yung pagkabait.
Moment ko to, sandali. Hindi. Alam mo, grabe, wag po kayo maniniwala dito.
Ikaw ba tinutukoy ko?
Sino ba?
Bakit ka
si Kai. Alam mo, ginugulo mo yung moment ko. Hindi. Si Derek kasi, siya masayahin yan. Makulit. Talaga pupuntahin sa dressing room ko, makungulit lang. Tapos, mag-fail siya sa address.
Always.
At
least nag-effort, diba?
Oo. Grabe yan. Ang bait, tsaka malambing. Napakalambing yan sa set. Lalo na kapag alam niya na pagod ako, galing ako sa taping, tutubog ako ng shooting.
Paano siya lumalambing?
Malambing. Basta
parang nagkakentuhan.
Kahit sa mga
Curious ako.
Ano?
Curious ako, Derek. Ano nangyari din sa pustahan niyo?
Oh my God!
Pustahan.
Ano kwento sa akin? Anong pustahan? Pwede ko ba na naman na sabihin na sorry? Sige. Sorry.
Walang pustahan.
Off the record, sorry. Weird moment.
Ano nga ba nangyari?
Napipig ko si Jen.
Napikon niya. Tinapon niya.
Hingin mo natin experiences ni Kian. Pero may question ka.
Puro na lang ikaw, Derek.
Sige.
Actually, Kian, you're playing an irresponsible boyfriend. Or
Responsible
slash
Slight boyfriend.
Kian is being Kian. Thank you, Derek. Buti may donut kang pinigay.
So
is it like close to real life or way out of?
Well, that's the thing with acting. Let me drink first. Tough question.
Kasi yan parang rockstar, rockstar life.
Then,
Ladies kami.
well, nahihirapan po ako sa mic kasi ba, siya English. Pero I just say to you,